Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to share how I created this set of Frankenstein Halloween nails with you. So keep watching to see how I created them. To begin with, I'm going to be using some gel polishes from Glam, and the first one is Grassy's Sassy. Love this lime green, and I'm going to do 2 coats on this nail, and then I'm going to be applying some loose glitter to this nail once I have those 2 coats cured. Now you're going to see both hands in this video because I did do a couple different nails, as you saw when I showed the picture at the beginning, that are different from one hand to the other. So I'll just kind of be jumping all over just to show you what I did. And as you know from previous videos, I do have a 30% off code for Glam. You can see that up on the screen. Definitely use that code if you want 30% off, or you can do the VIP program and get that 50% off. It's up to you. Either way, I'm not making any money off the code, but it's there for you to use. Now, sometimes when I apply a loose glitter, I do like to put a gel polish underneath that is similar in color, so that's why I chose to do this. I could have just got away with 1 coat, but I decided I was going to stick 2 coats, so it's just really great coverage with 2 coats. And then I'm going to take a top coat from Glam, and I'm just going to do a thin layer over the nail, and I'm not going to cure it. And then you'll see me grabbing the loose glitter. Now, I can't remember where I got the loose glitter from, if it's from Glitter Mix Canada or I purchased it somewhere else, so I apologize for that, but it's just a really nice lime green glitter. So I'm just going to sprinkle it on the nail, and then I'm going to push it down and pat off any extra, and then it's going to go in the light and it'll cure for 60 seconds once I have that done. You definitely want to push down the glitter on top of the nail because if any's sticking up, it's going to be harder to cover it up. So make sure you do that. And I like to take my dotting tool right along the edges just to clean up the nail. And then I know it's not going to cure close to her cuticles. And then it'll just be that perfect glitter nail. The shape won't change then. For the rest of the nails, I'm using Glam's Perfect Black, and I just need to do 1 coat. It's such great coverage. And then I'm going to be doing a bunch of different art on every nail. So I'm not going to show you applying all the black gel polish because obviously after I do this 1 nail, it's all the same. But we'll get into the art right away once I have this one done. So for this nail, once I'm done applying the black, I'm going to take Glam's top coat again and apply it to the nail, and I won't cure it. Now, if you had watched an AliExpress haul that I did, I got a bunch of different confetti glitters in 1 set, and you can see that video in the top right hand corner if you never saw that haul. But I'm using one of the confetti glitters from this set now, and I'm just going to take my dotting tool with a little bit of top coat on it to pick up those confetti glitters, and it's the perfect colors for Halloween. So you may notice here in a second that I'm removing some of that confetti glitter, and the reason is in this mix there is some black, and obviously when you're putting the black on black you're not going to see it, so I did grab it and remove it. And then I have the perfect colors, the green and the purple, that are going to complement this Halloween set perfectly. So I like to put the bigger pieces with a mix of little ones at the top by the cuticle, and as I go down I like to ombre it, so I put a few smaller pieces of that glitter. So with confetti glitter, of course, it's a little chunkier, so once it cures for 60 seconds I'm going to be applying a builder over it, and I use my Beinliant and Universal from Magic Gel. It's just either a nice shiny top coat or you can use it as a builder, but I'm going to encapsulate this because it is thicker. So once this cures, I'm not going to encapsulate right away. I will show you that later, but I am going to move back to the other hand now and do something on a different nail. So on the other hand, I have one of the black nails, and I am going to take this Modelones Chrome powder. These are the cutest little sets. You can see the video for all of the sets in the top right hand corner. Anyways, I'm rubbing this gorgeous purple into Madam Glam's No Wipe top coat that cured for 60 seconds, and this purple is stunning. You will see that when it's done. I'm just going to freeze the frame so you can see how beautiful it really is. Now moving back to the other hand, that loose glitter was cured, so I'm just removing any extra that may have been on there. Now I'm taking that Brilliant and Universal from Magic Gel and I'm going to encapsulate this loose glitter, and you want to apply enough to cover the whole nail because I will be filing it a bit later. Now, I don't usually jump around the nails quite so much and encapsulate and do other art, but this set I did because there was a lot going on. So once I encapsulate this glitter nail and the confetti glitter nails, I will be doing some more art on the rest. So keep watching for that. I'm not done yet. So I will be also showing you encapsulating that confetti glitter. I was lucky enough when I encapsulated it, the nail was perfect. It didn't need filing, so I will not be filing the confetti glitters later. I put enough of that Brilliant and Universal on them, but yet the nail wasn't too thick and it kept its shape, so I didn't have to file this one later or any of the other confetti glitter nails. I'm going to be moving back to that chrome nail next. Now, it's very important when you do chrome, you want to file the edges of the nail because the top coat needs something to grab hold of. And I'm going to be using my Brilliant and Universal on this nail because the chrome needs a thicker top coat, and then she will have no chipping because I did file and use that thicker top coat. So this nail will be done once I cover it up with the Brilliant and Universal. Now moving on to the other black nails where I still need to do art, I'm taking Glitter Mix Canada's Transfer Foil Gel, and this will cure for 60 seconds. So this is my favorite transfer foil gel. It works so well. So I'll put Glitter Mix Canada link down in the description, and I do have a coupon code for them as well. So that'll be down there. And I'm going to be taking this transfer foil that I got off AliExpress. I will put that link down in the description for this Halloween set in case you want it for next year. It's such a cute set of Halloween transfer foils. So I'm adding Frankenstein, and how cute is that? It's very important to make sure you rub everywhere and go over it once or twice just to make sure that it fully transfers. I will lift it up here in a second, and at the very bottom I will see that I didn't quite rub it enough, so I'll just push it back down and keep rubbing until I'm very happy with the transfer that I got from this. Moving on to the other hand again, I am just applying this little spider with a bunch of eyes on it in the middle of this nail. So also from this set of transfer foils are these cute little ghosts. So I'm going to apply one of them on each of the thumbs. So now I'm going to cover up the transfer foil nails with my Beinliant And Universal top coat. So if you have a full transfer covering the whole nail, you definitely want to file the edges so that top coat has something to grab hold of. But because it's not covering the edges fully, I don't need to file it. So I'm just going to cover it up then. So also covering up the ghosts, I just wanted to show you how cute they are as I'm covering them up. So I have one more nail to finish. Now you may have remembered from earlier I said I had to file the loose glitter nail, so I'm just going to shape it and finish file it, and then I'll be taking a thin top coat to cover it up. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching me create this cute Frankenstein Halloween set. They were so much fun to do. Lots going on, but I love that about Halloween nails. You can do so much and have so much fun with them. So if you could please like and subscribe, I really would appreciate that as always. And thanks for watching, and I will see you guys all in the next one.